Did you know that 60% of data breaches originate from third-party vendors? This startling statistic highlights the unseen vulnerabilities vendors can introduce to your business. Let's explore why vendor due diligence is not just a formality, but a necessity. Imagine the impact of a data breach on your company. Beyond financial loss, your reputation could be at stake, but you could also be facing regulatory sanctions. Understanding these risks is the first step in safeguarding your business. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and irreparable damage to your reputation. Regulatory frameworks like GDPR and CCPA are not just guidelines. They're essential for your business's survival and can levy hefty fines for non-compliance. Ignoring vendor compliance isn't just risky, it's costly. Discover the financial and operational pitfalls of non-compliance and why proactive measures are crucial. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting specializes in vendor due diligence. Our team ensures your vendors meet regulatory, privacy, and cybersecurity standards, providing peace of mind. We offer tailored solutions to fit your company's unique needs. Our expertise helps ensure that your business remains compliant and secure, allowing you to focus on growth. We conduct thorough assessments of your vendors' security practices and provide recommendations to you. Our detailed reports highlight potential risks and offer actionable solutions, helping to ensure your business stays ahead of threats. It's important to understand that Arrakis can only make a recommendation on a vendor. It is your responsibility to make a decision. Working closely with your team, we implement necessary changes. Our collaborative approach helps ensure seamless integration and long-term compliance success.
Hear from satisfied clients who have achieved compliance with our help. Our expertise have helped numerous companies avoid major data breaches, showcasing the tangible benefits of our partnership.
See the real-world impact of our services. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, businesses not only can achieve compliance easier, but also enhance their overall security posture. Visit arrakisconsulting.com to learn more about our services. Email sales@arrakisconsulting.com to schedule a consultation. Together, we can ensure your business's future by prioritizing vendor due diligence today. By taking action now, you'll safeguard your business against potential threats and ensure compliance. Let's work together to secure your company's future. Reach out to us today.